Okay, here we go. 167, 170. That's right. Let me see. Yes, we're good. Okay. Testing, testing, one, two. Good morning, everybody, everyone. Right now, streaming live on New York City, 10:46 a.m. Wednesday, April the 3rd on 2024. The chat is open. You can ask questions and everything. We can have a better view about the markets of what is happening today, which is very important. So we're gonna have a look. We're gonna take a look about important facts in the market that is changing the behavior of the movements in the stocks or in the, you can say, also Bitcoin and Forex. I'm gonna explain what is that in a second. Just want to make sure if the connection is good. This is a testing. We are testing right now to see if this is gonna be holding good right now. Main focus on Bitcoin, which I'm showing right here the chart live while we're trading. I see that these videos are becoming more popular on the people that are interested on trading. Okay, I'm trying to keep this very try to keep this very transparent because I don't want this to sound like a scam, something like that. I'm not asking for money or nothing like that. I'm just doing this because I really like it. I'm passionate about it. I learned also, and thank God I'm making profit of it, little by little bit, and it's been very important for you also to understand this, which also will be, I believe, very important for you as well. So let's see right here. I don't know if you guys remember yesterday we are doing, we were doing, the, what is that? This was the, okay. We are Yesterday we started the journey called 1,000 to 2,000. So I opened this account right here of $1,000 and just applying the trading strategy was trying to get into the 2,000. So what's happened today over here? Yesterday we have like 12 positions and seems like four positions closed already. I'm expecting for these four positions to close into the positive side, which is why the money is already start getting into the account. The last time I showed this account was when it was $1,042 approximately. Now we are $1,053 plus the gains that we got over here and plus the movement that we are waiting over here. So this is very important. Why? Because this might take time. You can see this one and see like a loser, but not. It's just getting into the area that it needs to do to turn into a profit. So, for example, let's see. We start at $1,000 right here. We start saying yesterday that the challenge was that we're gonna turn this $1,000 account into a $2,000 account, which will be 100% of gains, right? So we start the account over here and we can see what is these red numbers right here. This is the commissions that takes the brokers, right? If you make a small move into the market, the commission for the broker is going to be small. What is a broker? The broker is a person that is going to buy for you. He's gonna buy for you the stocks. He's gonna buy for you and everything. So you don't need to go to the office, put your name, fill up papers and everything. He's gonna do it for you. So yesterday I opened some of the positions, and we can see that we got charged like 4 cents just for the commission for the broker. One for the TVC, one for the USD, JPY, GBP, USD, Euro dollar, and this one right here. This all of these are forex, right? This is forex. Forex is a foreign exchange. Is the currency from different countries. So, for example, this is the euro dollar versus the dollar. This is the British pound versus the dollar. This is the dollar versus the Japanese yen, and all of that. Let's go to the profits right here. We can see a nice profit of GBP USD when I did 10,000 shares at around 20 pips or 15 pips, which I will explain later on. We have another broker fee. Then we got another euro to the dollar profit right here of 10,000 shares right here, plus 20, plus 15. Very good. Now we got the USD dollar versus the Japanese yen of $13.58, which is very good. Keeping the account a low risk and keeping the account into the same amount of shares. Like for example, we got 10,000 right here, 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares, and 10,000 shares. I don't go crazy in this thing because I want to keep it transparent. Like I said, like I want to teach you the right way to trade, which applies patience and also the right amount of the position and also the right time that you should enter the trade. You don't trade just because you're boring, you want to make money, you want to prove somebody else something. You just got to trade when you are at the right time, at the right moment. Also, we can see profits out of this thing. Let's say Nvidia. Let's take a look on Nvidia. We got $19 right now on profits. I can close it right now, but I'm just going to keep it open. Why? Because I'm expecting a big move to the upside, which is going to be into the $1,000 right here. How long is going to take? This can take a lot. We can see right here on the chart that Nvidia start having a good upward movement into the 900, 920, 940, 960, 980, and hopefully the 1000 around here. When I get 1000, I'm going to sell it. I'm not going to look back. Just going to take those profit, transfer to the market, transfers to the bank, from the bank to my pocket, and that's how you make the money. Because if you keep living over there, if you are a short-term trader, then you're gonna give back all your gains. So you gotta have a level. You gotta have a plan. You gotta have something like a strategy or something which you will learn. Nobody's gonna teach you this. You're not gonna find this information in books and nothing like that in order that you can be successful in this thing because it's psychology, waiting time, and also learning a little bit and reading a little bit so you will understand how all of these are getting the moves. Stocks moves very different from forex. Forex moves very different from crypto. For example, Uber having a good time right here, but I'm not on Uber, so I'm just watching my positions right here. Just gonna let it go. Right now, the big loser on the index of the dollar is this, which I'm trying to go long. I'm gonna take advantage of this extra sell-off right here to take profit and buy long again. So I could say maybe I'm gonna buy 200, but I'm not gonna touch it because I'm not positive into the strategy of my position. If I'm gonna buy more, this is gonna be revenge trading, and revenge trading is not good. Okay, I don't. I don't recommend revenge trading because it's the psychology of trying to get back again gains and everything. So I don't want to do that. This one probably is going to start having a sell off. I'm sorry, but we won't know until everything it gets clear. Right here, for example, we can see a big sell to the downside. This candle tells me that it's a big sell to the down. $10,000 and I grow it to $35,000. I'm waiting for Nvidia, which is my big loser right here. I don't know. Remember that yesterday was around maybe 900, negative 900. I think it was, yes. Now it's 582. That means it start moving to the upside. Just waiting over here to try to make it this more profitable as usual. Just leave it over there. You see red over here, you are not losing. Just waiting for the right time to come the stock to come to you. You gotta be very patient in this because if you're trying to play this like a casino, you're gonna end up losing money like a casino. So, for example, this is kind of my level that I will enter for Nvidia. See, drops over here, I'm gonna buy another one. Drops over here, I'm gonna buy another one because this is a good, strong consolidation going into the upside. Right here, it's waiting to touch my 1,000, and then I'm just gonna get out. You see, I can see a big pulse into the upside now. People trying to buy it, trying to make money out of it. Now we have the next position. I'm gonna check all these positions that I have over here, which is AMD. AMD also trying to show a big consolidation area on this down area. This you can call it the buy area right here, showing good consolidation, waiting to go to the upside. I'm going to 206, 181 right now. You're gonna see this thing happening, but hopefully in 1 or 2 weeks. You just gotta wait. AMD, which is Advanced Micro Devices, moves along with NVIDIA because both of them are semiconductors. So they're going to have similar moves. If we're expecting NVIDIA 1000, we're expecting AMD to 192 at least. I will decide that later on depending when I enter. I'm showing you this now. This is the euro dollar. Let me see. We can do this one today. This seems to be ready for a sell because look at the big pump right here to the outside. I'm gonna set it from here. This is we're gonna sell it for 20 pips. Gonna do 20 pips right here. Gonna sell, and because this account is bigger, I can go bigger over here. There you go. So I can start selling right here from here. It's a good area. Now I'm gonna go to the GBP USD also, which seems to try to coming up. Gonna enter another position into the sell position, but this one moves way faster and when and a lot and wider more than the euro dollar. So I'm gonna put this one for 60 pip take profit right here. GBP USD and euro dollar they move similar. You see, euro dollar, you see this thing. GBP USD, you see this thing, right? But now euro dollar it can move 10 to 20 pips, while GBP USD can move 20 to 40 pips. So it moves like 3 times, 4 times faster than the euro dollar. We got Visa. This is a stock. This is a company, of course. I'm buying Visa. It's a good level. It's a good company, strong company, right? It's a credit card company. It's a car company. So you can use it. Everybody's using what I'm speaking right now. Probably millions and millions of transactions are happening right now. So I'm gonna buy it, and my level is 2.84%, which is gonna be at the $289 per stock. So I'm just gonna wait for this one to happen, which is not too low. Just wait for it. Then I'm gonna jump into Google. What's happening on Google? Google, not good, not bad. Just trying to stay there into the consolidation area. Probably we're gonna see a downside just to close this gap. Then I'm gonna take my stop loss. We'll see how it's gonna behave. We got Rivian, the electric vehicle right here. Not yet in my average. Just waiting to see if it's gonna enter into my area to take profit right here. And we're gonna go to the next one, which is Taiwan Semiconductors. Taiwan Semiconductors now showing a lot of strength right here, going up. You see black is going down. You see white is going up. This is a positive move into Taiwan Semiconductors. Just waiting to touch that 146. I'm on 142, just waiting for four more dollars up into the bull area to take some profits right here. A Palantir right here, just waiting. Now try to see a consolidation entering into the good area. It's too tight. I'm gonna try to show you right here. That shows a good sense. It's very healthy going to the upside. Look at this. Nice, strong movement. Where you can see this in the better way, you can see this. We can use Robinhood, which is a platform where you can see um, the stocks and the forex making interesting moves. For example, Palantir. Palantir, we can see moves into the upside. I'm gonna show you right here the chart live in real time right now. You can see Palantir, nice move, 22.96. I remember I bought it at 22.46. So this is a gain of 21 cents or something like that, which you may say, that's nothing. But try buying these 10 stocks, 100 stocks, or 10,000 stocks. You will see the gains right here. We can see here the sell versus the buy. We can see here a consolidation into a healthy buy move. This is a volume of buyers showing right here into the data of the company. I don't want to confuse this to you very much because I'm going to explain you how you can enter into these positions and have a better view of this type of stuff. Just to show you that this chart is showing also a healthy moves into a nice volume, going to the upside to take profits over here. What else do I have over here? I got Nike. I did Nike also. There you go. Nike, expecting 106. Gotta be patient. They just did profits no long time ago. But I just bought the one of Nike because it's moved very slow. I have no time to be tracking this stock because it just moved very slow. Hopefully this one waiting to close this gap. When I close this gap is going to validate my idea and then going to 106 to take profits around this area. This is all my positions that I have right now. Now, if I enter something else, before I enter, I gotta watch what is happening in the market. For example, right now, 11 a.m. Wednesday, New York City. But at 12, you're gonna see a movement also because the banks on Europe are start closing because in Europe is a different time, and you gotta keep on mind. You gotta have that. You gotta keep that in mind. Big move for Uber. Just gonna take a look right here. Nice move to the upside. Netflix, big move to the upside. Very good. Meta, also big move to the upside. But I'm watching this gap or area right here. I'm not gonna enter. Probably if I enter, I'm gonna sell it. Just waiting for that. DoorDash. Now let's watch the ones who didn't do good right here. Li Auto. This is the Chinese company. Snow, Disney, Home Depot. Oh, this Home Depot I like. Should buy uh, 368. Let's do 364 right here. There you go. 364, small profit taker on Home Depot, just waiting for this to bounce back going into the upside. Because why? It's on my area. This is my area. This is the area where I buy. This is the area where I sell. Area when I sell, area when I buy. Why? Because it's too many sellers. It's cheap price. So I can just buy it for a profit around this area or around this area. If I'm patient, I wait for this area 1, 2 days. If I'm very patient, I'll wait for this area 3, 4, 5 days, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. So I'm just gonna I bought it already, Home Depot, 361. When it reached 364, I'm gonna sell it. 10 units, small profit, but just to validate my idea of explaining it to you, right? Okay, let me see what else I have. Right now, I'm gonna enter Home Depot. I like it. It's in my area. Just gonna hold it. And now I got Adobe. It's not in my area, but I see a nice gap right here forming. I should buy it, but I'm not gonna buy it because if it's not in my area, I'm not touching. That's my rule. You can have your own rules, but that's my rule for trading. That's the only way of trading for me that I don't trade in crazy. I just try to make money out of this, and this is important to me. Walmart 15. I don't think this is Walmart. Walmart is around 600 or something, so I don't think this is Walmart. Just leave it this over here. Let's go to JP Morgan, McDonald's. McDonald's, okay, good. I could buy McDonald's into the 283. Just gonna do 280. 280 just to validate my idea, right? 280, 10 units. Why? Because it's in my area. You see, it's touching my area. This is my area. Touching my area. I'm up already. Just gonna wait 1, 2 days, take those profits, and keep running. Nubank. This is a nice bank. I was reading a little bit about it, learning about it. So seems to be like a very interesting supposition. Okay. What else do I have? Visa. Okay, I check already this, right? So now this is an index that I take a look and see if this thing is very healthy. Right now seems to be healthy. I'm gonna buy it into the 53 53,000. Let's see the volume on SPX. A small volume, 548 million dollar. But it's nice volume coming back. I think everything is coming back. We got Tesla also trying to coming back. They're having a big struggle into this thing. I don't know if they're gonna make it or not, but seems to be like they are struggling into this area right here. What else do I have? I got euro dollar about to change. Oof, still coming up. Euro dollar going up, going strong, very strong. And probably I'm gonna enter again and sell it, but I'm just gonna touch it. I'm just gonna leave it over there because it's entering into my area for sale. I wanna sell this thing. I'm gonna wait on after 12 in 1 hour, and I'm gonna decide if I'm gonna sell it or not, which is a good area for take profits over here. And yes, of course, I'm gonna do it. What else do I have over here? I got nothing else right now. Bitcoin. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin pretty good. Healthy, very healthy. I'm gonna buy it again, and I'm gonna sell it at 71,000, which is a good level to sell right here. I'm buying one because my account lets me to do it. In a $30,000 account, you can buy one, but you are risking a lot. You should buy only zero point 0.1, zero point 0.5, something like that. But I have watched Bitcoin for a long time. I'm gonna wait. I know how to risking everything, and just expecting this move to the $71,000 and probably $80,000 and hopefully $100,000. Why? Because Bitcoin is a big mover. A lot of people is getting interested in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is making interesting moves. So besides that, a lot of companies are interested now in Bitcoin, which they want to invest also in the ETFs, which I entered very early, and this is very good. What else do I have over here? Do I have this thing? Okay, good. So if you wanna see like information about the stocks and everything, I recommend you to uh, use these types of platforms so you can invest. Fidelity is a good one. This is based in New York City. It's like around on Park Avenue in 26th Street, I think. I believe I used to go over there. I know this area right here. Fidelity, I recommend. Number one, number two, and number three. Nothing in specific order, but this is pretty good. Okay. In Fidelity, you can buy stocks, you can buy indices and everything. You can watch them grow. You want to buy also the Bitcoin ETFs and everything. You can be informed about news in the markets and everything. Uh, I recommend you for taxes also to pay your taxes depending on what you do. Have mutual funds, stocks, crypto, ETFs, options, IPOs, all of this. You will learn around this thing while we while you are watching this website and and learning also, right? You're gonna see the prices and everything. You're gonna subscribe, enter, do your thing, and then you will be good. Also, you can open an account for if you want to retire. They're gonna handle it for you, and you can have a better idea of how to perform into this market right here. Now, Eh, without the specific order, I also recommend interactive brokers. What they do, they also you can buy let's see, you can buy everything like a stocks, and you can do a lot of type of trading activities into this thing. They are very trusted and very serious company. As you can see, they got number one in stockbrokers, best online brokers in 2024. Barons, which is is like the New York Times, is for um for stocks. They give you the best online brokers in 2023. So they are very good, responsible. As you can see, they have the markets open on blue and the markets closed on yellow, as you can see right here. This is all the markets existed in the world. I believe this is the Mexico Bolsa Mexicana de Valores. That's right. You got the Chicago Board Options Exchange. You got the Toronto, Canada Exchange, and you got my favorite New York Stock Exchange opening until 4 p.m. And this one are closed. So you see, you got the Tel Aviv. Then this is in Israel. You got the National Stock Exchange in India. You got the SGX, which is the Singapore Stock Exchange. You got the Hong Kong Stock Exchange. You got the Korean Stock Exchange, Tokyo Stock Exchange, and the Australia Stock Exchange right here. Now, the big ones right here, Swiss Open also. Frankfurt Stock Exchange, I believe this is from Germany. Budapest, also pretty good. London Stock Exchange, this is one of my favorites also because you gotta watch this if you wanna do Forex on the thing. La Bolsa de Madrid, XMED, also happening right here. 150 markets, 34 countries, 27 currencies right here. You're gonna get used to the screens and everything to understand and all of that. They have more than 2.56 million client accounts. So everything is secure, everything is good. Uh, you can chat me, you can send me a message. I'll help you out to set up this thing. I always forgot to change the screen right here. I'm expecting this to happening. Uh, automatically, but it doesn't happen. So let's review it again. Interactive brokers right here. This is the screen. This is the companies. This is the award winning for being the best. And this is the currencies right here. This is the stock markets that I was talking about. This one, New York Stock Exchange, and all of that. This is the stocks markets that are closed. This is the ones that are active. 150 markets, 34 countries, 27 currencies right here on Interactive Brokers. Now, let's go to Oanda, which is very good also. I really respect Oanda. It's very good company. I've been using this also for the time. I really recommend it. Some of the products they have, Forex indices, metales, acciones, crypto, and all of that. He's a good broker. He's a fast broker. He's a very reliable broker. I have made some money also with them. They're very trust. They're on downtown Manhattan, around Liberty Park, around the area where you go to the Liberty to the Statue and everything is being good. Oanda also another recommended way. So you want to operate the trade, the forex, and everything. Now you want to use this one too. You want to use this one too, which is Robinhood. Robinhood's pretty good right here. You can use and you can buy stocks right here, whatever stocks that you want to buy. If you want to buy Apple, you put Apple right here. You click on Apple, you see how Apple is performing, and if you like it, you buy it. What's the price of Apple? $170.44. Okay, you don't have too much money, then try to buy small companies but very good in performance. For example, Palantir right here. Palantir costs $22.95. You can buy this one, hold it for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. This could be your retirement if you want to. What is Palantir? Well, you got to do your research and see that it's a company, what they do and everything before investing and entering the market and putting your money in something that you don't know. That's not recommended. Put something in things that you know. Don't just put your money out there expecting a miracle or something, but because you can also lose it. That is a problem. Some people win, some people lose. The winners take the money from the losers. Simple as that. Now, I'm gonna recommend this page, which is called Forex Factory, where you can see the economic events happening around the world. They tell you the time, they tell you what is going to affect the US dollar, the New Zealand dollar, the Chinese, the JPY, this is the Japanese yen, the Australian dollar, depending of the movements that happen. Every time that something happens, it's going to throw our results right here so you can have an idea why the market is behaving the way it's behaving, right? Today's Wednesday. For tomorrow, we have only big movement on unemployment claims. You're gonna learn this thing in the process also. You got the CPY of China. This is China. No, this is not China. This is CHF. Yeah, China is CNY. CHF. This is the. I always forget this one. I don't use it very much, but this is a very important if you want to trade forex. Um, yeah, the franc right here. This is the franc. Um, and you can see also by the next day, so you can prepare. For example, I'm expecting on Friday, April 5, big movements into the dollar and the Canadian dollar right here. You can see employment change, unemployment change, average dollar earnings, month to month, non-farms employment change, and unemployment change. You will learn about all of these things. Red means that you're gonna see a big movements in the market. So depending where you are, you can make profits, and depending where you are not, you can wait after the moves happen, then also make money. This is what it was before, 40.7k. This is what it is expecting, 25.9k. So this is gonna be the result tomorrow. I mean on Friday, and this is gonna move the market. Right here, the market moving good, staying healthy, buying Bitcoin, I'm gonna stay over there. I'm gonna close this thing and just wait until tomorrow. I just wanted to show you that the only profit I did today and probably yesterday, because yesterday also I reviewed this. Uh, Yesterday was the second, right? So the second we can see profits of this is Apple lost. This is broker commission. This is a 326 profit on crypto Bitcoin for two shares. This was good. This was yesterday because April 2nd, right? Now I bought it. Okay, 326. A small profit on the CBX. I believe this was the Chevron. Yesterday was having a good area, a good time. $10 on the Uber, small profit because I bought it on 75.20 and I sell it for 76.26. Very good. I got a Neo for 452 to 456, about 4 cents. That's why the profit is very small, but just trying to prove my strategy. This is on brokers fees that you gotta pay. We got also $13 for the USD, Japanese yen. We got 626 for the Bitcoin. Oof, this probably is gonna be good. This is for today, right? So for today, we had the Japanese yen, nice profit, and the dollar 626, which is was very good. And with this, that's it. It's enough. You get this one in one day. I mean, you cannot complain. This could be your week, okay? Maybe your month if you maybe you live in a country that you don't need to spend a lot of money. So this could be only 1 month. This could be 1 week. This could be, in my case, one day. Not bad. Not too much, not too crazy. Just enough to keep my account profitable and keep running, keep going, keep going up, making money. This is my account of $10,000, trying to see by the end of the year of $100,000. Hopefully, it's gonna happen. Just proving my trades and proving my strategy to show you and explain you the best way possible. That's it. This is New York Runs Global. My name is Juan Carlos. You can find me on my social media right here, which is gonna be closing right here, and you can see some of the ideas that I put on my channel every day. You can see over here some of the stocks that I trade because they have a nice volume and a nice percentage of change where you can make money every day, every week, every month, depending what is your strategy. You can follow me also on my YouTube channel, which is right here, which is called New York Runs Global Inc. And I'm live. I put videos over here. If you want to see the videos, you gotta put live videos, and you can see the videos that I put every day. Try to getting into the community. Also, I put some shorts of the trades that I put right here. Some of them very good, some of them not too much, some of them so. But I'm gonna keep posting over there all the new things that is happening into my account. My name is Juan Carlos. Once again, that's it for now. Have a great day. Stay profitable because that is the most important thing. Don't waste your time and things that are not making you better. Try to change your mindset and try to be better every day. That's all I can say right now for now. Have a good day. Have a good weekend. Well, have a good week because I'm gonna be probably later on connected or maybe tomorrow, and I'll see you guys into the next one. Take care. Thank you very much. Thank you for the follows. We got a lot of follows every time I finish this videos, live streams. I'm also on Twitch. If you want to find me, I'm on Twitch, I'm on YouTube, and I'm right here also on X. Probably coming next week, I'm going to start doing on X my reviews. So, because this company, TradingView, is going to stop doing the live views onto the stock. So, I'm probably going to be on X. Make sure you follow me on X. I got it. All my information is on my profile. Thank you very much. Have a good day and stay profitable. We out.